You can see where the Conservatives are going in their latest ads running in Quebec, saying that Justin Trudeau thinks most Quebecers are wrong, that he is totally disconnected from Quebec values because he's in favor of the niqab. Plus, of course, he's not ready. Simultaneously, the Conservatives took up the Liberal Quebec government's plan to ban the niqab in the public service. Harper says he will do the same.
I believe the Quebec government has been handling this controversial issue in a very responsible manner, and we will do exactly the same thing in Ottawa.
He's talking about Quebec's Bill 62, which would ban the niqab in provincial services like policing, healthcare, schools, and daycares. And it would keep religion out of education, saying subsidized daycares could not teach any religious belief, dogma, or practice.
We've said we will look at that bill before taking further steps.
Once again, Harper's rival said he's fear-mongering.
This is Stephen Harper at his worst. I don't say the man has only failings. He must have some qualities. But for him to have run an election campaign on the backs of minorities, stigmatizing, singling out.
He is stirring up the politics of fear and division in a way that, quite frankly, is unworthy of the office he holds. And he needs to stop, because no election win is worth pitting Canadians against Canadians.
What is striking about the Conservative strategy is that for years they've resisted this kind of policy. Jason Kenney, for example, used to say this.
The government shouldn't be telling people what they do and don't wear.
Well, I think it's an aberrant cultural practice.
It's Kenney, of course, who's now leading the charge against the niqab. And the minister who runs the public service used to say that disliking the niqab was one thing, but
that doesn't mean that you can impose that view in the workplace or in the private sphere.
But now it seems it's different, and the heated debate is being blamed for 3 recent reports of Muslim women being abused or insulted, and for a Liberal candidate in London, Ontario, having his signs defaced with the words Arab scum. So there's anxiety among Muslims, and Muslim women especially. This one is a federal public servant.
We have really other issues like health, like jobs.
Niqab is being used as a political football. It's being used as a wedge issue to garner support among a specific political base.
Clearly, though, the Conservatives believe that their approach is working and that a ban on the niqab across the public service will be popular, which it may be, Peter, even if the problem doesn't really exist. The union representing federal workers says that there's not a single case of a woman who actually wants to wear the niqab on the job.